Just come forward and just reply. All right? Okay. So, just like I told you that we'll be now studying about a girl whose words travel the borders, the books, the, so many mountains. And she believed that education is right for all. Okay. So, the voice that encouraged millions. Now, anyone from Pythagoras, but this is speaking English class, so just come forward and let's do this quickly today, okay? From Pythagoras, anyone, please come forward and just read these 2-3 lines. And after that, Hanji, let this be this time the first boy and then the second boy can come, okay, next time. So, bache, you have to read this and you have to tell the nouns or the pronouns that are there along with their types. All right? Hanji, let's begin.
Valley lived a thoughtful girl named Malala Yousafzai.
Yousafzai, very good.
Malala loved learning and meeting conversations. Her father, the Yousafzai, admired her curiosity and encouraged her to express her ideas confidently.
Very good, very good. So this is an introduction to the girl named Malala Yousafzai. Okay, and we are talking about his father here. Now, bache, can you please tell me in the first sentence if there is any common noun and which is it? Let's be the grammar detectives with this story, all right? So which is the common noun in the first sentence? Yes, it is girl, it is valley. And can you tell me what is Malala Yousafzai? What kind of noun is that? Hanji? Malala Yousafzai is name of the girl, just one unique name in the whole world, just one girl. So this is a proper noun. Okay. Thank you, but you can go back now. From Pythagoras only, second bench boy. Hanji, please come forward. Now, can you tell me, Malala loved books, learning and meaningful conversations. Her father, Ziauddin Yousafzai, admired her curiosity and encouraged to express her ideas confidently. Can you tell me what kind of nouns are there or pronouns are there in this paragraph? Hanji bache, I'm waiting. Pythagoras, we all are waiting for you. All right, books. What kind of noun is books? Hanji. Books is a common noun. We can even say it is a material noun, book, right? Now, as we know that a lot of nouns or pronouns can sometimes overlap, they can swap, right? For example, abstract nouns are also the common nouns. Okay, what are abstract nouns? The feelings, the emotions that are not tangible, that cannot be touched. All right. Hanji bache, books, and then can you, father, is it a common noun, abstract noun? What kind of noun is father? It is a common noun, right? So the common words like father, girl, valley, books, these all are common nouns. Now you can go back. Newton, thank you. Newton, central line, last boy. Newton, central line, last boy. Please come forward, bache, and tell me what kind of noun is Ziauddin Yousafzai. Newton, last bench. Any boy can come from the central line. Good. I was looking forward for this. Don't push the other person. Just come forward, Hanji. What kind of noun is this, bache? It's a name.
Proper noun.
A proper noun. Yes, that's right. Now, can you tell me what kind of noun is curiosity?
Object noun.
Very good. And when we talk about confidently word here, what is this word? Noun, pronoun, adjective? What is it? But I
Noun.
really wish. Hanji, sorry.
Noun.
Confidently. What is confidently? It is telling us about a quality, how the person is speaking or writing or what kind of ideas, they're conveying, how. The quality, that is an adjective. So here I would like to tell you, you can go back, bache, thank you. Whenever we are deciding if a word is a noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, whatsoever, we need to take into account the context, the story, the situation, the condition. Either it can be a visual one, otherwise maybe a story, you are reading a story, right? So the words grammar part depends what kind of word is it, depends on the context or the story, right? The situation. For example, if we take the word learning, if I say learning is a lifetime process, so what is it? Here learning is a noun. Otherwise, what do we think about learning? That learning is a verb. She's learning how to drive, she's learning how to cook, he's learning how to write. So here it is an activity, ongoing activity, right? And learning has again different forms of verbs, different tenses. Otherwise, when we are saying learning is a lifetime experience, then we say it's a noun. Or if we are saying it was a very learning experience. Now, here we are defining, or we are actually telling the quality of the experience. So, what is that? That is an adjective. Okay. So, always take into account what kind of sentence we are talking about. So, always classify a word within the sentence. Unless the activity is something like just the word is given and you have to tell, for example, confidence. Now, that is an abstract noun. Confidently, expressing something confidently, that is an adjective. Hanji, who will come from Pascal? Central line, last girl, please come forward. Read the whole paragraph and please tell the nouns and pronouns and their types. Pascal, Hanji, बच्चे. Please be a little loud. Come a little closer to the mic. I'm not able to hear you. Hanji.
Every morning, Malala walked to school with a group of students carrying bright notebooks and ambitions, dreams. The classrooms, the library, and the cheerful voices of children filled her heart with happiness.
Good. Now, can you tell me any common noun in this? Notebooks. Any more common nouns in this paragraph? School. School, students, classrooms, children, notebooks. Okay. Now, can you tell me any abstract noun in this? Happiness. That's good. That's good, but you can go back. Whenever you are speaking, please try not to overemphasize or elongate the last syllable of the word. Do not fill the gap between two words in your sentence with the last syllable, like I want to go, to walk. Why are we elongating or overstressing on the syllables, especially the last one? Okay? Curb the word, limit your word, speak it properly, speak it in a very crisp, clean way. Don't fill in the gap by elongating your word. Okay? That is, I think, one thing that I saw when you students are speaking. All right? Now from Pythagoras, third bench boy, central line. Can you please come forward, bache? Third, okay, first boy can come forward. Pythagoras, who just raised his hand. Hanji. You can read till independence.
Dependence.
Your voice is breaking a little bit. Which one is an abstract noun in this one, bache? Tell me two abstract nouns in this one and one proper noun. Malala, as we know, is a proper noun, right? Privilege, wisdom, independence, these all abstract nouns because these cannot be touched or we just can feel it, right? These are the emotions or the feelings. Okay, all right, bache, thank you. You can go back. Now, who will come from Thales? Second bench girls. Anyone can come forward. Second bench central line. Okay, that's great. Any one of you, unless you both want to speak about it. Hanji bache, please read this and tell us about the nouns or pronouns in this paragraph.
Her words, her words impressed many teachers and students. Some listeners nodded enthusiastically, while others reflected silently upon her message. Pronouns are her, her.
Her is a noun. Are you sure? We are studying
No,
nouns
ma'am.
and pronouns. Yes. What kind of pronoun is this?
Personal.
Absolutely. Personal pronoun. Hanji. So, her is a pronoun, and can you tell me any other noun, pronoun, adjective you can tell me? Can you tell me any adjective in this? We are the grammar detectives today, right?
Ma'am,
Enthusiastic.
affected nouns silently. Ma'am,
Hanji.
affected.
Your voice is breaking, but I think your answer is correct. So thank you, Bache. You can go back. So her, as we saw, was the first personal pronoun. And now, enthusiastically, silently, these are the adjectives telling us about the quality. And what are adverbs if we say? Anyone from Pythagoras? Okay, not Pythagoras. How about Leibniz? Leibniz last, or I think second last bench, central line girl. Please come forward, bache. All right, Hanji. You can read the whole paragraph actually. So first of all, we were talking about adverb. What is an adverb? That tells us about the quality of the verb, right? How they are doing the activity. Hanji bache, please read this and tell us about the nouns or the pronouns or yeah, these two or adjectives if you want to in this paragraph. I think your mic is on, but I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you, bache. Can you please read this? Leibniz, I cannot hear you, bache. All right, you can go back. Anybody from Richardson? Anybody? Okay, central line last. Central line last girl, please come forward, Richardson. Richardson, nobody wants to come forward? See, if nobody wants to come forward, I can just carry on with the lecture myself. I don't have any issue. This is a speaking class. You have to come forward and speak. There's such nice response from Thales, from Pythagoras. Hanji Thales, first boy, please come forward. Please read the sentence and tell us about, let's say, two or three, abstract nouns in this. First of all, please read this paragraph.
Mala had believed that knowledge creates
Wait, wait, wait,
confidence
wait, wait, wait,
and
wait, bache, wait, wait, wait. When you're saying knowledge, don't say knowledge. Just say knowledge. The emphasis or the stress that you're putting on all syllable, put the same stress on the last one also, okay? Hanji. Otherwise, you are reading well. Hanji, please read again.
progress. She often said that books can transform societies because they make people to think critically. Just who visit the school asked what inspires you
Inspires you to speak
to
so
speak so
fearless.
fearlessly.
Very good. Now, bache, can you please tell one or two abstract nouns in this?
Ma'am, confidence.
Very good, very good. And just in case if this was confidently word, then that would have been a noun or an adjective.
Ma'am,
She spoke confidently.
fearlessly.
Okay. Just in that case, that was an adjective, but you were saying it right. Confidence is an abstract noun. Any other abstract noun that you can see here?
Encourage.
Hmm.
Ma'am, encourage.
Hanji, bache. That's good. Compassion, right? Confidence,
Ma'am, progress.
compassion, progress. That's right. That's right. That's good, bache. You can go back. I really appreciate and I really love those kids who come forward by themselves, right? It's always good. Raise your hands, come forward. There is nothing difficult in this, right? And as we have discussed, it's a no judgment zone. Just come forward and speak, okay? Nobody is here to tell you, no, no, this is not right. No, no, what have you done? Don't have that fear, okay? Come forward fearlessly, speak whatever you want to speak. Even if it's wrong, so what? We all are friends here, right? That's the way how we learn, right? Hanji. Anybody from Richardson? Central line, third bench girl. Central line, Richardson, third bench girl. Please come forward. Okay, come forward, bache. Hanji, fatafat se let's read this quickly and see the kind of nouns or pronouns in this. When we are reading this, these visuals actually helps you to enhance your emotional quotient also. It helps you to enhance your creativity, your imagination, right? It is always better to learn with stories, isn't it? It also tells us how we can build up our own stories in our own words, right? Hanji bache, please read this. We all are waiting. All right. I will just read this for you. Just tell me any kind of noun or pronoun in this. Malala replied, I want every child to discover his or her potential. Several students later joined educational campaigns in their communities. These inspired learners carried notebooks, shared ideas, and encouraged others to continue their studies. What is studies here? Uh, Anyone from Pascal, what is studies, bache? Studies is a common noun. Any common noun in this paragraph? Any other common noun? From Newton. Hanji, first boy. See every time this was Newton, first boy who just raised his hand. What is students, bache? What kind of noun is this?
Student, common noun.
Right, common noun. Okay, what is studies we have already done. Now you can finish this one. That same boy from Newton, please come forward, bache. Please read this one.
One teacher proudly told that.
Fancy section, please mute your mic. Hanji bache. Newton, please come forward. Any
One teacher proudly told the audience this determination will influence the nations. Today, many people across the world admire Malala because she reminds humanity that education belongs to everyone.
Good. What is the kind of word this is? Determination. Is it abstract noun? What is this? What kind of verb? What kind of grammar word is this? This.
Demonstrative.
It is what?
Demonstrative.
Demonstrative, right? Demonstrative. Determiner. That's good. What is humanity?
Humanity abstract noun.
Good. Education.
Education abstract noun.
Good. Very good. So this was the story for today. You can go back. So who is she? She's Malala Yousafzai, the youngest Nobel Prize laureate. Okay. All right. Now you all can take out your worksheets. Let's start with that. Everybody have their worksheets? Hanji. Leibniz, boy who is last boy in side lane who is sitting near the wall. Corner boy, please come forward, bache. Leibniz, Hanji. Please bring your worksheet also. Read the first paragraph and answer the first question. We all are waiting. Be a little quick, be a little louder so that we can finish this worksheet now, okay? Have you read this paragraph anywhere before also? Leibniz, I cannot hear your voice. No sound, no nothing. Okay, you can go back. Pascal, central line, second bench. Pascal, second bench, central line girl. Pascal, can you hear me? Hanji. Bache, please, first of all, tell me, have you read this paragraph anywhere? The first paragraph, section 1. Where have you read this paragraph? Everybody else, please keep quiet. Let her speak. Hanji. Where have you read it, bache? Which chapter? Do you remember the name of the chapter?
Ma'am, we haven't read.
You haven't read this chapter? You haven't read this paragraph anywhere? Homesickness, about homesickness. Okay, whosoever has read this paragraph somewhere, whosoever is feeling it's very familiar, please raise your hands. First paragraph. Leibniz, everybody has read it. Thales, everybody has read it. Very good. So I believe actually everybody has read it. It's just that you guys are not raising your hands. In Ramanujam, everybody is raising their hands. Okay. From Ramanujam, anyone please come forward. Anyone? Hanji bache, please come forward and read the first paragraph. Read it nice and loud with all your energy. Okay?
I was homesick during the whole of my first term at St. Peter's.
The only comfort is that both homesickness and seasickness are instantly curable. The narrator, nahin,
The
the
narrator.
narrator decided to pretend that he had appendicitis so that his mother would uh, take him home. He carefully observed his sister during illness and later tried to fool the matron. However, Dr. Dunbar quickly understands the truth, advises him to face life
Very
bravely.
good. Very good. Now, bache, can you please tell us what kind of noun is Saint Peter's? Saint Peter, just Saint Peter. What kind of noun is that?
Proper noun.
Proper noun.
Proper noun.
And if we say Saint Peter's with apostrophe S, then that's an ownership, right? Then it becomes possessive. Okay. What is Dr. Dunbar? What kind of noun is
Proper
that?
noun.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very
proper
good,
noun.
bache. Very good. Thank you so much. You read it so well and you answered all the questions correctly. Newton boy sitting near the window, last boy. Hanji. Please come forward. Now, can you please tell us about the common nouns in this paragraph? You can tell us 2, 3, or tell all the common nouns in this paragraph. All the students who are raising their hands, I can see everybody. It's just that I would like others also to speak, and it's brilliant when you raise your hands, you come forward yourselves. Okay? That is great. Hanji Bache Newton, please tell us about the common nouns in this paragraph. I cannot hear you. Hmm? Both. Where is the word both? And any other common noun, Newton? Any other common noun? Home. Okay, you can go back now. So, bache, the common nouns in this, you can underline these and keep your worksheets with yourself, okay? For further practice or just, you can see this later on also. So, the common nouns here are the narrator, mother, sister, truth, life, illness. And just now, as we discussed, that the abstract nouns can also be the common nouns. But not all common nouns are abstract nouns, okay? Hanji. Now, from Pythagoras, if anybody can come forward and tell us about few abstract nouns in this. Thales, I think all the students know all the answers, and it is delightful to see this. But let's give some chance to other people also, okay? I know you know answers, all the answers. That's great. Hanji, Pythagoras, please come forward, anybody, for the abstract nouns. Any one or two. Speak a little louder, bache. Speak with all your power. It is homesickness, seasickness, comfort, right? Hanji. Okay, Pythagoras, you can just stay there. Can you tell us about one place in this paragraph? Any place in this paragraph? It's a common noun. Home. Okay. Then third question, B part is a feeling. What is a feeling or emotion? That is abstract noun. We have already discussed. That is homesickness, seasickness, right? Now, can you please tell any name of a person? Pythagoras. But can you tell us name of any person in this? It can be common or proper. First of all, any proper noun? Name of a person? Yes, Dr. Dunbar. And now can you tell about any common noun? Name of a person? There are 2, 3. Newton also, there are few students who are raising their hands again and again. That's great, bache. It's narrator, mother, sister, matron. Okay, you can go back. Now identify the personal noun, one personal noun, possessive and reflexive. When we read the paragraph, we get to know that there is no reflexive pronoun in this. Which one are the reflexive ones? That reflect back. Herself, themselves, itself. We don't have any one of those over here, right? So anyone from Richardson, can you please come forward and tell us about one personal pronoun in this paragraph? This is a very easy worksheet, you know. It's like a cakewalk. You just see the worksheet and you're like, oh, this is the answer. This is the answer. That tells how clear your concepts are. Richardson, anyone, please come forward and tell us about one personal pronoun in this. Okay, nobody wants to come forward. Pascal, there are 2 boys sitting in the side row towards the window. Third last bench. Boys, okay, you can come. Hanji. But please tell us about personal pronoun in this paragraph. Thales, students are like this. That is great. The best view. I, that's good. Any other word? He. Can you tell us about one possessive pronoun? His. Now, Hanji, can you tell us about the 5th question? The narrator decided to pretend that the narrator had appendicitis. Can you tell us which word can you replace here with a pronoun? Anyone from Ramanujam? Anyone from Ramanujam? The narrator word can be replaced by the pronoun he. Okay. Okay, Leibniz. Corner boy who has just raised his hand. Hanji bache, please come forward. Second last bench, I think it's second last bench. Hanji, right. Please come forward and read the first 2 fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Since we are doing the worksheet, right? So always come up with your worksheets only. Okay, so are you seeing where we are right now? Hanji, section 2, fill in the blanks. Please speak the first 2 sentences with the correct answer. Thales and Newton, they know the whole worksheet, I believe. That is great. But be a little quick. All right, I cannot even hear you. You can go back. Thales, first boy, central line. Please come forward, bache. Hanji, Thales, central line, first boy. First and second sentence.
Ma'am,
Speak the full sentence.
The brother carefully watched his during her illness.
Is it the brother? The brother, or actually we are talking about the narrator here. The narrator carefully watched his sister during her illness. That's right. And the second one, Thales, only you can stand back and tell us, stay back and tell us. Second question, second fill in the blanks.
They
No. But first of all, read the sentence first.
the twins had hardly distance as from each other.
Hanji. Now what do you think? They fits here? Do you think they fits here? It's themselves. The twins could hardly distinguish themselves from each other. Okay? Hanji, you can go back. Thales, side lane, there is a girl who was raising her hand. Hanji, please come forward. But the third sentence and fourth sentence. Please speak the full sentence with the correct answer.
Good afternoon.
Oh, very good afternoon, bache.
And third sentence is Dr. Dunbar told the boy that was only sick. Answer is it.
That? What is the answer here?
That he was only homesick.
Very good, very good. Now the fourth one.
The nurse mixed up the names because that looked exactly alike. Answer is they.
Very good, bache. You can tell the fifth one also. Let's be quick. You can tell the fifth one also, bache.
The students congratulate that after solving the difficult themselves.
Good, very good. Very good, you can go back. There should be clapping for Newton and Thales today. Although all are doing good, but I don't know, some students, they're coming and not either speaking or there's some problem with their mics maybe. All right. Now, who will come from Pythagoras for section 3, first two questions? Pythagoras. Just few questions left. Let's just complete this quickly. Good. Hanji bache, first two sentences. First of all, speak the question and then tell us the answer, okay?
Me and Dunbar.
What is the correct answer for this? We bache never use me or I as the first word most of the times. Okay, again, a little bit of, we have to see what kind of context is it. Otherwise, the right answer for this is, Arav and I went to meet Dr. Dunbar. Now, side lane, I think it's fourth last bench girl in Pythagoras. Pythagoras, Hanji. Side lane, fourth. She raised her hand, Hanji. Bache, please tell us the second one now, and then the third one also. Hmm?
Is the cause of confusion.
What is the right answer for this? Very good, very good. The twins blamed not himself. Himself is anyways no word. Themselves for the confusion. Third question, bache, you can tell us. Pythagoras only. Third.
Ma'am.
There is a lot of hullabaloo going here. Your class is till what time today? 1:15?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Please, actually, in school period is over. Please cover it fast.
All right, ma'am. We'll just finish these two questions. Okay. Anybody? Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for that. Newton, anybody please come forward and let's complete these three questions. Anyone, quickly. These are very easy. Hanji, bache, send, come forward. So second was the twins blamed themselves for the confusion. What is the third one? Just speak the right answers.
Ma'am, is ma'am section 4 ka?
Yes.
Section 3, third question.
Section. Everybody must bring their notebook tomorrow.
When you're saying everybody, it's different. Everyone must bring his or her notebook tomorrow. Fourth question, bache, you can tell. The matron told the boy that him was pretending. What is the error here? He was. Very good. Now the fifth question, you only can tell. Rohan and me observed the patient carefully. This is very much similar to the first question of the section. Rohan and I observed the patient carefully. Okay, bache. Thank you so much. Congratulations to all the students who are shining today by raising their hands. Okay, it was a very easy worksheet. I expected all the hands to be raised today. Thank you. And you have a great day now. We'll meet again after another week, next week, and we'll finish this worksheet. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you so much. And please now just start speaking in English every day. Okay? Bye.